Few months ago, I built my very first gaming PC.
Felix!
It started a whole journey of me installing Linux, writing my very first line of code, completely de-googling, running my own self-host. But there's one truth that I can't escape. In order to successfully ascend, I need more compute. But most importantly, thank you for paying for all this. All right. So the power draw is a little bit of an issue. I actually have to contact an electrician. He came by today, and yes, it looks like I'm screwed. That's why, of course, I'm planning to go solar. I need more power, and apparently sourcing weapon-grade plutonium isn't legal. So this machine is going green.